welcome to the video guys. In this video we are going to be talking about this humanoid robot. Have a look at its hands and it kinds of look scary out of some sci-fi movie, but anyways, just imagine getting a shout out or a promo or an advertisement, whatever you call it, of this level. The US First Lady Melania Trump came out of the White House with figure 3, the humanoid robot, and I think this was like peak moment for this company. But this robot isn't that scary. It can even do your home chores. It can tidy up a living room autonomously. So you leave the home, it knows what to do, your home resets. Have a look at it cleaning and doing the chores. So this is where I started to go down the rabbit hole. I came across this video. So it says that Figure, the company that is making these, has humanoids walking their office autonomously 24/7. Now the thing is, walking alone isn't like very interesting, but the thing is, if they are doing a certain task, that is like pretty ingenious. So the person who posted this said that imagine a fleet of them in yours. So just imagine having a humanoid robot coming to serve you coffee on your table instead of you having to go to the machine or calling someone to bring it for you, them organizing papers for you on your table, doing the general cleaning and stuff. That is quite interesting. And when it goes to the industrial scale, things are gonna change from there pretty fast. So what do we know about this company? So Figure AI is a AI robotic company that develops autonomous general purpose humanoid robots designed for commercial and domestic use. Both of them are like pretty important as we move forward into the future. Figure 3 is their latest generation, featuring advanced AI capabilities, cameras in the palms, and improved dexterity. These robots are designed to work alongside humans with skills including object handling, bimanual manipulation, and dynamic object throw. What is bimanual manipulation? So in robotics, bimanual manipulation involves using two robotic arms to perform complex coordinated tasks like assembly or object manipulation. Interesting guys. And coming back to the robots, they are capable of performing tasks like laundry, cleaning, and dishwashing. And there's one video while claiming that it has a 50 trillion market. I suspect that, but I think it's gonna be revolutionary. Let's see their website actually. So here this humanoid is watering the plants. Well, it cares for the living. So the AI behind this is Helix, which enables it to navigate unpredictable, ever-changing home environments. Yeah, that's true. The environments in our home are dynamic, always changing. Let's see about the robot itself. There seems to be a camera over here. It takes care of laundry, cleaning, doing dishes, all autonomously. I'd be like quite interested in seeing its industrial applications. But anyways, it's 5 feet 8 in height. So let's read something about the company. So this first generation robot F01 came out in 2023. So now this is the F02. Now you see these are the industrial applications of that. And then we have the Figure 3. I think the most fine looking one is the Figure 03 actually. So their values are move fast and be technically fearless, product first, mission focused, aggressively optimistic, championship mindset. Interesting. So guys, coming back to this video of Figure 3 honored by the White House, I think this is peak marketing, and I think humanoids are gonna be in our homes, be on the shop floors in the factories, and if they are gonna do all the heavy lifting, us as humans have to move up in the Maslow's hierarchy of needs to work on the bigger goals in life. That's where I leave it. Now you let me know your thoughts down in the comments.